Damaged locks, hair fall, dandruff and dry tresses are hair care problems that haunt most women. Seek help from the humble ingredients in your kitchen to make natural, homemade packs for hair care. Coconut and Cream Pack. The creamy mask is best suited for dry and frizzy hair. Its moisturizing elements make hair soft and shiny. Mix coconut extract and olive oils and apply it gently from root to tip of your hair. After that, keep your hair covered with a shower cap. Leave it for more than an hour. Then, rinse it off with a mild herbal shampoo and use conditioner. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Banana Cream Pack. Banana is a natural ingredient which makes hair strong by preventing damaged roots. Blend one overripe banana in a grinder. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Apply it on your hair, especially the roots. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Oatmeal Hair Mask. It is best suited for those who suffer from oily scalp, dandruff, scalp irritation and inflammation. It nourishes oily scalp by eliminating excessive oil. It results in hair growth by treating dandruff and protecting hair follicles. Mix oatmeal, fresh milk and almond oil and make a paste. Ensure that your hair is free from tangles before applying the pack. Put it gently on your hair. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Hibiscus Hair Pack. It is the solution for weak roots as hibiscus is known to strengthen weak roots. Soak hibiscus petals overnight in a cup of water. Then blend it with olive oil and raw milk. Apply this pack on hair. Keep the hair mask for 20 to 25 minutes and then rinse it with water. Thanks. Kindly subscribe to my channel.